Order filled.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, June 4th, 2024, and we're going up with the market. H pattern moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. H pattern moving average bounce, H pattern lightning to the upside. H pattern 555, H pattern. This bar is going to be protected underneath from the 21. If the 21 holds this price, it'll push the price back up because it's a power moving average, and we'll get above the 200 again. So once it gets back above the 200, as you can see it's developing right now, then we would actually move our stop to a break even. So this way you don't move it too quick, but understand that it impulsed up. So we had energy going up, we had a little correction, and then we're going right back up again. Now once we cross above this 200, then I would advise someone that's managing their trade to move to a break-even status. We have a narrowing state happening right now with two power moving averages. We have a rising 21 and a flat 200. So we have two power moving averages supporting that price. So you want to stick with this move because here soon we should expect some level of acceleration from the price to get away from these power moving averages. So we want to stay with the overall dominant energy. If you also look at the 2-minute chart, you can see that the 21 is rising as well as the 200 rising, and they're widening out. So they were narrow, now they're expanding out. So you can see right here we have the 1 minute and the 2 minute agreeing with the energy and power of price to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move. Now we're going to hold out because I believe based on the price and the acceleration of the price that there is high probability that the price will accelerate at least to the $453 mark.
Order filled.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a $1.50 move.